Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to quick and easily stop people from seeing your follow list on Facebook. First, let's go into the app. Then you're going to click on the three dashes in the bottom right hand corner. Then scroll down to the bottom. Then select Settings and Privacy. After you have selected Settings and Privacy, you'll go into Settings. Then scroll down. And there you'll see Privacy Settings. You'll go into that. Then you'll see who can see the people and pages and lists you follow. And you'll select that. At the moment, mine is set on public. You can select friends, meaning only your friends on Facebook. Or you can select friends, except, and then you can select who you would want to see it. Or you can select only you. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.